Although a January of next year announcement for the Galaxy S22 series might look real because the last year's model's launch happened in January, believe it or not, the S21 FE is still happening and this device is coming in January of 2022. So naturally this will also affect the launch time of the Galaxy S series flagships. Now according to Ice Universe, the last week of January 2022 looks the most realistic target. But according to both John Prosser and Sam Mopo, the Galaxy S22 series is coming in February. But both of them couldn't clarify the date, which also looks pretty much logical considering the release date of the S21 FE. According to John Prosser, the second week of February is the time for the Galaxy S22 series, and the January 11th of 2022 is the date for the S21 FE 5G. Now there are a lot of specs already leaked about the phone, but I'm not going to tell you all those. You can check out my other videos for that. Not just this news, according to WinFuture, Samsung has already kicked off mass production of the parts meant for the next big thing from Samsung, the S22 series I'm talking. Samsung is also ramping up the production of the components all the three models, the S22 series, model number S901, the S22 Plus, model number S906, and the S22 Ultra S908. Which is gonna be the biggest attraction of them all, like the S22 Ultra with no design. Now, the production of the parts began in the middle of last week and is also currently limited to a smaller number of parts. According to them, Samsung appears to be focusing on the production of the US variant of the whole series at the moment, which is good. Now, Samsung usually starts mass production around 2 to 3 months before the release, so the February of 2022 release seems way more logical now. Now, the AMD powered Exynos 2200 chipset, the Galaxy Note design rebirth in the form of the S22 Ultra are going to be the two of the most interesting things of the series. You've already seen the design, I like it. What about you? Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.